This is the top of the lens. This is the bottom of the lens. The top and bottom of the lens are the same, so they can be swapped. How to open? Hold the lens, pull forward until the slit opens, then rotate to the right. Look at this, when the lens is pulled forward the slit will be opened. Pull the lens forward until the slit opens, then rotate it to the right. How to attach the lens? This metal wire part must be at the bottom and top. This is the lock. Then press a little down and rotate to the right. Put the lens. Remember, the metal wire must be at the bottom and top. Press the lens down, then turn right clockwise. I repeat again how to open it. Pull the lens up slightly. Then rotate the lens to the right clockwise. To install it, make sure the metal wire is in the bottom and top position. Place the lens on the camera. Then press the lens down, then rotate it to the right clockwise. Now it's your turn to try it. Good luck.